What's all that? I see some bunches of metal right there. I wonder if they all matter, if they care if I take that. Oh, that'll tear up the car.
It's raining. Maybe it'll still be here.
I'll have to come back with my truck. I'm back with the diesel beast. I'm gonna see if I can just grab some of this metal these guys are tossing.
Oh, they put a dumpster down while I was gone. Alright, let's go see if they're friendly. Hey, you mind if I grab this metal? Thank you. I don't know, what did he say? Something about playing around? Well, I'm definitely not playing around. You gotta get this metal while you can. There's like a half dozen scrappers in the area. They all want the same thing. Free metal. And this is the noisy stuff too.
This stuff's light and flimsy, so you gotta be careful. You gotta tie it down good.
Sharp as a razor too. I don't know how these guys work with this stuff.
But it adds up.
I was gonna back my truck up to it, but that dumpster, they just put it right in my way.
That's a heavy pull right there. Nice and thick.
I don't know. I'm only getting like 9 cents a pound for this, maybe 7 cents, 7.5. I don't know. It's not that much. But I like to focus on just getting steel, and then anything like copper and aluminum, that's just your bonus. Oh no, here comes the boss. You can't take this metal. What are you doing? Get out of here.
These housing by any chance?
Yeah.
All right, because I was gonna wait to throw them in the dumpster. I wasn't sure if you wanted to take those.
Oh, I'll take them. You're
All
gonna
right,
throw them
good.
out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll take them for sure.
We'll keep them out of the dumpster for you.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much.
He's gonna let me scrap those light fixtures over there on the wall.
Hey, I got a YouTube channel. Do you mind being on the channel?
Oh, no, go ahead, man.
Is it all right?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, no worries.
Let's get these things loaded up. This will be my second load. Man, I'm just living off the kindness of others every day. Thanks to that construction boss.
I'm gonna take 2 of these at one time. I'll just do one at a time.
I mean, it's a good thing to bless others and be a blessing. Every now and then there's a bright ray that shines through us to others. I don't know, maybe. You know, I mean, speaking about my own character, I feel like I'm pretty selfish and self-centered. I probably need to work on being more generous, like that boss. That's the way to be. Yeah, well, just falling down and breaking everywhere.
What other way is there to be but giving and taking, giving and taking? Yeah. Well, this stuff looks good. Scraps, that's what that is.
There's no hiding from the scrap catcher.
Put them in here. Like a kangaroo pouch. Put my babies in here. Come on, children.
The scrap catcher's here.
Come with me.
Can't hide from me. Walk the plank, you scallywag. In you go, into the bucket. Hey, where are you going? No, I'm not crawling in that mess. No way. There you go. Cleaned out all the copper, brass. Gonna take all this steel down, see what they give me.